Did I ask a question? I said these pictures must be available with you. These pictures must be available, that's all. No, this is important for me. This is important for me because you will be the first to judge what I'm saying. The people you show will be the second to judge what I'm saying. I only said, since you guys didn't go, these pictures must not be with you. Some people went there, these pictures must be available with them. These are not morph pictures. These are not pictures that anybody can deny. And I am saying on full authority that these are pictures of the camp that was held in which J.B. Singh in Mainpuri. He was then the official then, and J.B. Singh signed this, was present in these camps. Okay? I'm not saying please exonerate everybody. I'm not saying close the story. This is just the beginning. Just the beginning, a story. Okay? There was some camp held. There was some camp held at which Mr. J.B. Singh was personally present. His name is on the backdrop. The date is on the backdrop. And the trust's name is on the backdrop. Fortunately, you can't say that he distributed this on behalf of somebody else. We still remain with the story. No camps were held. We still remain with that story. Eta camp wasn't held. Okay, Eta camp. Dainik Jagran is here or not, I don't know. But Dainik Jagran are also running the story. Camps were not held. They don't read. They don't go back into the archives. And what do we have? 20th July 2010. Kamzor Varg Ka Hit Sarvopriya Salman Khurshid. Eta camp. Eta camp. Salman Khurshid. I personally inaugurated this camp. Okay? So we've got that story. Yeah, this is from Sant Ravidas Nagar. 10 विकलांगों को दी गई tricycle. Sant Ravidas Nagar. Where they have said camp has not been held. Camp has been held. Camp has been held. Fortunately, I have three people here who in front of you will identify themselves and say their camps were held in their supervision in their district. One person is from the distinguished family. One person is from the distinguished family of a former foreign minister of our country. From Bulandshahr, R.P. Singh.
I held the camp in Bulandshahr.
He held.
Constituency.
Okay, so the camp was held. Ajay Shukla. Bareilly. The camp was held. Ajay Shukla.
The camp they said never got held.
The camp they said was never got held. Here's a picture of the officials and the camp. Picture of the officials and the camp.
Bareilly.
You will get copies of all this. Who else is there?
And this is the list of all the people who held the camps.
Okay. We have a list of all the people who held the camps. I will read out the list. You can get a copy. Allahabad, Amarnath Mishra, who was the president of the Congress. Aligarh, Vivek Bansal, MLC. Bareilly, Ajay Shukla is here. Bulandshahr, R.P. Singh and Shivpal Singh. R.P. Singh is here. Eta, Ajay Anmol, who's the local farmers leader there. Etawah, Anil Mishra and Yugraj Bhaduria, who are two very, very important members of the Congress party. Farrukhabad, my own guy, Uzair Ali Khan, held it. Kannauj, Munna Rab and Usha Dubey, who is president of the Congress. Kashiram Nagar, one gentleman called Ishtiyaq. Mainpuri, Prakash Pradhan. Meerut, Tarachand Shastri, former minister of UP government. Rampur, Sanjay Kapoor, MLA. Sant Ravidas Nagar, Rizwan Ahmed, one of the biggest exporters of carpet from Sant Ravidas Nagar. Siddharth Nagar, Ishwar Chand Shukla, MLA. Muradabad, Muhammad Azruddin, MP. Shahjahanpur, Zilla Viklang Kalyan Adhikari in this particular year, and Jitin Prasad, my colleague, in the previous year. This is a list that you can take. Camps were held. Or you can say that all these guys are liars, you can say. Azruddin Saab is here. So the camps were held. Azruddin Saab is here. Nobody has said that the camps were deficient. Nobody ever has said the camps were symbolic. The allegation is no camps were held. And I have shown to you that camps were held. Now, let us now take up very quickly, let us now take up very quickly, no questions. No questions till I ask you to ask questions, after which I will answer. Now let us take up very quickly what was said on 8th of October by Mr. Arun Puri. Mr. Arun Puri, I won't read the whole letter, it takes too much time. I personally got involved in this story and have gone through the official letters, documents, and also your clarifications. Thank you, Arun Puri. I have a high regard for Salman and wish there were more people like him in politics. 8th of November, 8th of October, 9th of October, Salman is the worst person to have on the face of the earth. Anyway, then he goes and explains, etc., and says, very rightly, I am of the view that some persons in the trust, or those associated with it, are indulging in wrongdoings which you and Salman may not be aware of. Little purpose is served in imputing ulterior motives to our journalists. Thank you very much. He gives you some credit. We have no agenda against anyone. We only want to do a fair story validated by evidence. I'm sure that the trust has done sterling work, but we have found cases where the important documents have been forged. We are not on the story of documents being forged. We will come to that, not escaping it. But this is on 8th of October. How remarkably Arun Puri's mind must have changed between 8th of October and 9th of October, or sad to say, Arun Puri's correspondents don't pay attention to what Arun Puri thinks, which may be a good thing, really gives much greater freedom to the media and to the, and I'd be very careful about seeing how much of this gets reproduced in which channel, so that we will get to know how much of freedom there is. Then amongst the documents given was the Viklang Camp newspaper story, but of course, as Arun Puri knows, newspaper stories are not always honest and not always straightforward. Okay, so this is the core area of the camps being held. Now, before you ask a question, that the CAG in a draft report, which some of you have kindly actually shown as a report, but the CAG in a draft report has said no camps were held. Therefore, 71 lakhs should be returned with interest. CAG has said that. One of the things that the CAG report says is that we sent people to a certain address in Okhla to get the point of view of the trustees. Nobody was available there. Once, twice, third time. Understandable. My old father, who is the founder of the trust, my old mother, both of them not in good enough health to be able to travel every day, remain in that house permanently. My three sisters and their families live in that place, where the CAG went and could not find anybody. I understand. It could have happened. But if you don't find somebody at an official address, what do? You leave a call card, you leave a letter, you leave a request saying, we wanted to get in touch, we can't get in touch, can you please get in touch? Didn't do that. Doesn't matter. It happens. Sometimes in a hurry you go, and it happens that that you can't get hold of anyone. Of course, I'm not saying this seriously. I'm just saying this in jest. Please take it that this is in jest. Of course, it is not being said seriously. But if they were looking for Salman Khurshid, or they were looking for Louis Khurshid, or they were looking for Dr. Zakir Hussain Trust, they just had to look over the wall. The CAG lives next door. Didn't have to go very far. The CAG lives next door. And I must acknowledge that when the CAG was told that your draft report says this, he said we never were given the documents. And if you give the documents, we will be very happy to factor them into our final report. This is only a draft report submitted to the ministry for giving their comments. Now, of course, one of the issues in that is that there is no utilization certificate, that there is no audited account, and there is no proof of this having been done. This, I am afraid, is not, and you can be sure, no matter how many cameras you take to these people, you can go to Mr. Uma Shankar, who's the the chartered accountant. Scheme of assistance to disabled persons of purchase or fitting of aids and appliances. Utilization certificate 23 2011. 23 2011.
Read up the amount.
No, the amounts are all there.
I want this to
The amount is certified. 71 lakhs is that you said that we have diverted, disappropriated or diverted 71 lakhs. Certified that out of a total sum of rupees 77 lakhs 87,065 spent on ADIP camps held in 2009 and 10, only the sum of 71.50 lakhs was by way of assistance from the Ministry of Social Welfare and Empowerment, and the remaining 6 lakhs 37,065 was by ways of donations from private individuals and establishments. Utilization certificate
submitted to India today.
submitted to India today. India today did not look at it because they assumed, presumably, that this was forged. Utilization certificate.
No, they kept flashing.
Yeah, just give me. I want audited accounts. No, audited accounts. You have audited accounts. The audited accounts at the back. 4-page thing. Audited accounts at the back.
Indicating
And
how much
and the
scam.
payments that are there, just for your reference, aids and appliances for handicapped Aligarh, aids and appliances for handicapped Etawah, aids and appliances for handicapped Farrukhabad, aids and appliances for handicapped Eta, aids and appliances for handicapped Menpuri, aids and appliances of Sant Ravidas Nagar, and so on and so forth. All of them here. All of them here. Now, let me just tell you, because I don't know how many of you do this good work. Certainly, one gentleman in the streets who carries around Viklangs who have motor Viklang things. We don't do that. We don't do that because the money that's supplied by Government of India can only go for cycle rickshaws, cannot go for putt-putts. Now, of course, he is in the putt-putt range, Ford Foundation and Company. So he's in a putt-putt range. He may have a problem. But let me just explain how this happens. You hold a camp. You hold a camp. You bring doctors. The doctors examine the patients, decide whether they should be given appliances. When the appliances are agreed, they measure for the appliances. Not everybody gets an appliance that fits all. And when they measure the appliances, an order is placed with government agencies. And the order that is placed with government agencies for 3,46,000 for delivery at Aligarh in UP, for instance, is here. The order that was placed. Money didn't disappear. Order was placed. These things came. People here are saying that camps were held. These were not sold in the market. And if they were, you could have done a sting. Handicap cycles, 37. Wheelchair adult, 10. Wheelchair child, 10. Crutches left, 20. Crutches male, 20. Crutches small, 20. Walker, 5. Walking stick, 10. Blind stick, 5. And that's it. Only reading one. Don't want to read everything else for you. Okay?
These are all the districts.
These are all the districts. The purchases are all there. The hearing aids also, including the hearing aid that you managed to get, had not been given, is all here. It's all been bought. Okay? These are all hearing aids. So this is about the camps. The camps were held. The camp documents were given to the minister.